Let's play the game called Big Bats Bump.
Good morning again, everybody. Mrs. Pinkham is back with you today to teach you a new game called Big Bats Bump. It's a division facts game that focuses on the division facts for 7. You play the game with 8 counters for each of 2 different people, making sure that they're different colors. I used pennies and dimes just because that's what I have at home and they're in 2 different colors. You'll need 2 dice, or I have my big funky foam dice that I'm going to play with today. The score sheet, Big Bats Bump. The directions are at the bottom, and I will include a picture of it at the end of the video so that you can look at the directions a little bit more closely. And you need to use your brain. So here's how this works. You're going to roll the 2 dice, you're going to add them together, and then you need to define a division fact where the answer of the 2 dice added together is the quotient of the facts on the board. So I need to find the division fact with some number divided by 7 that equals 6. So I might want to think in my head, well, what's 6 times 7? Well, that would be 42. So I'm going to scan my board and find the one that has the 42 divided by 7. I'm going to put my penny on it. I roll again for the next player. This person got a 2. So I think in my head, 2 times 7, what would that be? Well, that's 14. So 14 divided by 7 would be 2. I'm going to place my dime on it. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 times 7, that's 35. I'm going to find the one that's 35 divided by 7. I'm going to skip ahead a little bit to say that player 2 was going, and they ended up rolling a 2 again. If they already have their marker on that fact, they can cover it with another one of their markers. That is a safe space now. It cannot be bumped off. If player 1 had rolled the 2 and there's only one coin or marker on that space, they could bump that person off. So if you have 2 of your own on the same space, you're safe. It can't be bumped off. But if somebody doesn't own it, or if one person owns it and you get that fact, you can bump them off. You play until someone uses up all 8 of their counters before the other person. So that's the game called Big Bats Bump, a dividing by 7 fact game. I hope you give it a try. Have a great day, everybody.
Here's the direction sheet to the game Big Bats Bump. Practice those 7s facts, guys.